You are the operant power. There is no one to change but self. The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within. Stop looking for signs on the outside. You are the creator of your own reality. Imagination is the true God within man. Deny the evidence of your senses. If the facts do not match your desire, deny the facts. You must dare to assume you are already the person you want to be. Creation is finished. There is nothing left to create, only to manifest. The 3D world is dead. It is only a shadow of your past thoughts. Turn your back on what your eyes see. Live in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Your assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are the cause of them. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not ask how it will happen. The how is not your business. Walk as though you are already that which you desire to be. Feeling is the secret. You are currently sleeping in the assumption of your success. Whatever you attach to I am, you become. Do not say, I will be. Say, I am. The present moment is the only time that exists. You are the master of your fate. The world has no choice but to conform to your inner speech. Watch your inner conversations, for they are creating your tomorrow. You are God asleep, dreaming you are a man. Awaken the power within you. It is done. No one has free will in your reality but you. People are only messengers, telling you who you believe you are. If they are treating you poorly, look within. Change the script in your mind, and they must change their behavior. Everyone is yourself pushed out. Do not argue with the world. To argue with the world is to argue with your own reflection. If you want them to love you, you must first love yourself. Assume they are already exactly who you want them to be. They have no choice but to play the part you wrote for them. Stop trying to change people on the outside. Leave them alone and change your concept of them. When you change, they change. There is no other power. You are the king and the kingdom. Forgive them, for they are only reflecting your past thoughts. See them as loving, see them as generous, and they will become it. The world is at your command. You do not beg for attention, you command it by your state of mind. They are whispering your name because you are whispering theirs. Your inner conviction is the only truth. If you assume they are yours, they are yours. Distance does not exist in consciousness. Connect with them in your imagination, and you touch them in the flesh. It is law. Time is an illusion. Everything is happening in the eternal now. You can collapse time by living in the end. Quantum physics proves the observer affects the observed. You are the observer. By observing your wealth, you create it. Parallel realities exist side by side. You are shifting timelines with every thought. Choose the timeline where you are already victorious. The past and future are fluid. Rewrite your past in your imagination to change your future. Energy flows where attention goes. Take your attention off the lack. Place your attention solely on the wish fulfilled. You are bending reality with your mind. The particles of the universe are rearranging themselves for you. There is no delay in the divine. The delay is only in your own doubt. Remove the doubt and the manifestation appears instantly. You are a multidimensional being. Step into the version of you that already has it. Vibrate at the frequency of your desire. You cannot attract what you want, you attract what you are. Be it and you will see it. The quantum field is waiting for your command. Command it now. It is finished. Sleep is the doorway to the subconscious. Never go to sleep feeling defeated. As you drift off, replay the scene of your success. Loop a scene that implies your wish is fulfilled. Feel the handshake. Feel the ring. Feel the money. Do this until you fall asleep. You are impressing the subconscious mind. What you carry into sleep, you bring into your world. Your dreams are the rehearsals for your reality. Control your state as you enter sleep. Wake up knowing it is done. Do not look for it in the morning. Know that the seed has been planted. It will grow in its own way. Trust the bridge of incidents. You are planting the garden of God. Do not dig up the seed to see if it is growing. Have faith. Your persistence is the key. Sleep in the feeling of the wish fulfilled tonight. It is done. Your imagination is the only reality. The world is nothing but a mirror. You are not the body. You are the imagination within it. Stop trying to change the mirror. Change your face. Consciousness is the only cause. There is no secondary cause in your world. You are already the person you wish to be. Refuse to accept the evidence of your senses. Your inner speech is freezing into external reality. Do not beg, appropriate it. Claim it as yours right now. The feeling is the secret to the miracle.